roles I'm going to discuss once here. See, whenever we are going to work in any application development, so user roles will be there, right? So initially, see, case worker, see, there will be some participant. Case participants are nothing but, see, whenever they are going to work on any application development, so these are the business users of the application who are going to process and close the cases. So suppose if you're taking some application, some credit card dispute application or customer support service application, so there will be two group of participants in that who are going to give the request and who are going to solve that request. Okay. So whenever we are going to work on any, suppose if we have some issue is there, so they are going to means if you are going to complain on your some issue you have with a laptop, you are going to complain to the customer support team and they are going to take the ticket and resolve that issue. Okay. So here, like that case worker in the PEGA means, like a case worker means who is going to give the requirement. Okay. So here if they are going to give the main requirement of the application and they are going to solve the cases, means again they are going to, case manager will be responsible for working on the cases and monitoring, but these are not our role. See, we are not participants here, so we are nothing but these are the end users. Okay. So they will be taking the cases and they are going to solve them, and manager will assist them in solving the cases if anything is there. Okay. But this is not required for us, but we are nothing but case designers in the PEGA application development. So case designers will be called, and in the case designers, what are their business analyst will be calling, or business architect we can call, and your role will be system architect. In that only there will be levels, senior system architect, all come under the system architect, senior system architect, lead system architect, everything come under the architect role. Okay. And business analyst will be another designer. Okay. See, but here we are nothing but case designers. Okay, we are not participants. We are nothing but case designers. So whenever you get any application requirement, so these are part of the delivery team for designing and building the applications. Okay, so in this business architect or business analyst, see, they are going to collect the requirements. See, suppose, see, whenever an application is confirmed, so what they are going to do is some business user will be allocated and they are going to assign some business users who are going to give the requirements, and BA will collect all these requirements in the runtime. So they will be taking some 1 to 2 months to collect all the requirements. So they will be working with case participants. Okay, business analyst will be working with a case participant, and they are going to collect the all the requirements of the application. Okay, and what system architects will do? See, system, see, first of all, BA in PEGA, BA will not have a complete knowledge on PEGA development. They don't have any knowledge on the PEGA rules or what is PEGA development. But some are learning now. Even some, see, in my trainings and all, some business analysts also for understanding the PEGA development, they're learning now. That will help in the, maybe for some cases and all, that particular knowledge and all will help in making the application or making their work simple. Okay, so actually BA doesn't need any knowledge on PEGA rules. Okay, but no, nowadays means most of the means, because I will be giving many trainings, right? Even BA are also learning this PEGA rules concept, and they are also going to learn the development, because BA with the development concept, if they have, they will have a some weightage for their profile. Okay, so BA with the development, PEGA development knowledge means they'll be having some added advantage in the profile and all. So they'll get a package wise and all. Also, they can demand more. That's why they're also going to learn. But actually, BA role will be limited to some things only. It will be limited. They're not into complete development. But if they have knowledge, means the companies are ready to take. If they have, but BAs and all, they'll not be, more jobs will not be there internally. From other projects also they can take the BA to their teams within the same company or within the same organization. They can apply for the SE. Most of the companies and all, internal positions will be there, internal jobs will be there, right? Suppose if they are interested, means they can move other technology BA, business architect can move to the PEGA BA also, because maximum their role will be same in other technologies. What are the role is there in PEGA also, they will have the same role. Okay, and system architects will provide the technical skills needed to complete the application. So in that designing, UI designing, business logic, application review. So here they analyst and business analyst and system architect both they are going to work, and combinedly they are going to work to complete the development. So these are our role will be related to this case designers, and in that also our role is nothing but system architect will be called. Okay, but in system audits, what I said, there are three types of system audits are there. So in that, your role will be either system audit or senior system audit. Okay. See, they are going to perform most of the development work inside the PEGA PRPC portal. Whatever we see in this, most of the development will be done by the system architect only. So configure and unit test the individual application tools. Like how to unit test also I'll show you, and work on the UI process flow helps in the draft. But see, not only these guys in the application, many other things we are going to, they'll mention simple points, but internally, what are all the application rules we have? Maximum every rule, even a system architect also will be sometimes working on the every concept which is there in PEGA related to development. So that's why performs most of the development work. Okay, in that, what are all the rules related to development? Every rule we are going to implement. Okay, so like work on the UI, everything, and we are going to work and complete the task from beginning to the end of the given requirement. So in that requirement, what are all the rules involved? All the rules we are going to work in that. Some admin rules will be there, some lead rules will be there, some analyst rules also will be there sometimes. So from beginning to ending of the requirement, all the rules we are going to implement in that. Okay. So like that, system audit is nothing but a development, complete development role. And see, some companies and all, some senior system audits they'll be assigning. So, but they're also going to do the development. Sometimes they are going to assist the system audits in the development. Okay, some cases they are also going to develop, and some cases they are going to assist the other system audits in the application development. So they are going to supervise the development, and they're also going to give the complete requirements they're going to give, what they need to work. Okay, and what all the guardrails they're performing or not, their reusability is perfectly they're using or not. See, because application PEGA development means reusability is one of the important factors. So all the guidelines they're following or not in the development, so they are going to assist them, and any particular inputs and all they are going to give to the system architect. So they're also going to develop some particular rules, like lead rules, architect rules, like there will be some security concepts, organization concepts and all. They are going to take care and supervise the any junior developers who are there, they are going to supervise them. And other thing is, so here in the application, actually they are going to combinedly work, system architect and senior system architect, they are going to work combinedly. So like they will share the requirements, like from beginning to ending, what are all the requirements are there. Even senior system architects also involved in the complete design of the application. And lead system architects are the experienced one. So like see, they are not going to do the development, but so they are going to work along with the BA. So they will give the complete architecture of the application. They are going to define the complete architecture of that application. So how design must be there from page to page, each page, what is the alignment of that page, where the fields must be there, where that particular logo or design must be, how it should look, how routing should, where routing should be there, and where reusability should be there. They are going to decide, means they are not going to develop but give the complete structure of application. So based on that structure given by them, so the architects and senior architects will be working on the design. So they are going to design the complete application architecture to reuse the rules. Okay, so these are all some of the rules, but maybe some company to company, so these all these three will be combinedly working. So these are all the different architect roles, but any job if you apply, so these two roles you will be doing in the, even if you join with 1 year experience or 2 year experience, these two roles you'll be working, system architect. And see, apart from that, there is nothing like concepts wise, there is nothing different guys in PEGA. I mean, even a fresher join also, he will be working on all concepts. Certifications are only names. Okay, but in CSA, CWS and BA certification, all the questions will be common. Okay, so there is nothing like see, there will be concepts wise, there is nothing, division is not there. only certification they have given, some levels they have given, but in PEGA development, all the concepts are important. If you are learning PEGA, means each and every concept is important. Okay. And there is something called access group. See, in old versions and all, it will be called as administrators, but what is that tomorrow or next class, day after tomorrow class, you'll understand this. Okay. Even if I mention this, you can't understand now. In the day after tomorrow class, you're going to understand this. What is this access group? And more about access group, we'll be working on the some advanced topics we'll be discussing later. At that time, you are going to understand more about this. Okay. So that is about today's topic, and from tomorrow the practicals will begin. So any questions, anyone?